Chief Minister ula ong ba kan pendek cenderung kendam hau benai November. Nanti yang mau kira dulu ong kadang newspaper lawan cek na Silang Times sekarang. Tambah hadu kita upakan ini hadu kita tolong jadi habas apa Chief Minister ula bentuk ini, Education Minister ula bentuk ini. Ini aku belum kan habis ini Ki Nonghikai bentuk ini. Ini tinggal ong Ki Nonghikai yang mana sini deh. La ong mana sini.
Sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck for me. You got a piece of me, and honestly, my life wouldn't be the same without you. And babe, we're not just friends, are we more than friends? Just have a hand on you. You think I'm stone cold, tripping, made them say of me and tears. I just want below.
Come in bulletproof cars. We will make sure that no one will tell stones and all, but we deserve that this issue should be resolved today. And we deserve to meet them face to face. And if you want to handcuff us while we are talking to them, we are ready. I'm just saying, sir. I'm just saying. If you want to handcuff us while we are talking to them so that we will not be violent, we are also ready for that. But by hook or by crook, we want to meet these people today. By hook or by crook. And we are not going to settle for anything less. We have been patient, we have been kind, we have been generous. It is their time. Remember when we talk of these representatives, why do we call government servants? It is because they have to serve the people, not to dictate the people. But in our state, they are not serving, they are dictating. That is why we are here. Respond to them. They also have a duty to be responsible for us. They are leaders. They have to be responsible for us. And if they cannot do that, which is a small, simple thing, then we cannot listen to them as well. We cannot adhere to all of these protocols that have been given. We followed each and every single thing for the last 1 month. Even today we are here on the permission. It is stated that we will be here till 3. The permission is till 3. We will be here till 3. So we will not change our minds right now. Yeah, we are firm until unless we get a response from the government. We are not going to move. That is our final stance.